Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video we're going to be taking a look at the closest thing that I could find to a smart battery case for the iPhone X and XS, and that is the battery case for iPhone X/XS from Swaller. No, it's not Swallow, it's Swaller. When you type it in, it might autocorrect it to Swiller. It's not, it's Swaller. That out of the way. It's a 4,000 milliamp hour case. You can see on the front of the packaging here, this is what it looks like. It's made of silicone, so it feels like the smart battery case. You get some paper. Your safety matters. Do not use non-certified power adapters or lightning cables to charge. So they're advising that you use only stock Apple power adapters and cables to do it. I'm going to be completely honest, I've been charging this most of the time with the net dot magnetic cables, which I'll have here, and it hasn't blown up on me yet, so that's a good thing, I guess. It is not waterproof. It does not wirelessly charge, so that's kind of a bummer, and if Apple does release a smart battery case, it probably will feature wireless charging. Keep away from fire and hot stuff, and don't step on it. And it's telling you how to put it in, which I'll do in a moment. How to do it again. If you're not happy with it, you can contact them. And some rewards program, which I'll probably look into later. So with all of that back in the box, let's unsheath the case. So this is the case. It's got a nice little texture up here in the rubber part of the case. This bends back. This is supposed to be flexible. This is how you put the phone in. This is kind of like microfiber. It's a really, really soft material down here. I would assume that's so you don't scratch your phone when you put it in, or maybe they were thinking ahead and want you to clean the back of your phone. Either way, really nice touch. On the bottom, you've got your microphone and speaker grills. You have your lightning port to charge it. As you noticed, it doesn't come with a cable. That's because if you have an iPhone, you should have a cable to charge this. On one side, you've got your volume buttons and your cutout for your mute switch. The other side, your power button. Obviously, your camera cutout here. This part is plastic, whereas this is rubber, silicone, something that's not plastic. You have your 4 power LEDs here and your power button. When you press that, those light up, and they're in increments of 25. So I'm going to grab my iPhone. I'm going to show you how to put it in. You put it in at the top, and then you slowly slide down until it clicks. You push it in, pull the little corners up and over, and there you go. It safely protects the camera bump, and there's a little bit of a contour. Is that the word I'm looking for? There's a little bit of a contour here, so that way you're not smashing your camera lens, which is actually pretty neat. As far as it goes, it's really nice. It's really tight fitting, and I haven't had any issues with it in the, I want to say, week or so that I've been using this now. It does kind of scratch up. You should be able to mostly wipe them away eventually. Kind of like the Pixel 3, but instead of that being glass and a feature, this is plastic and just a side effect of plastic. So to turn the case on, let me actually unmute the phone so that way you can hear it. So to turn the case on, you press and hold, and it turns on. And then to turn off, press and hold again. And you can see up here, it's not charging. Also, I just want to make note of this really cool wallpaper that I found the other day. It's the internals of the iPhone X, but when you 3D touch on it, the lights move. I'll have that link down in the description if I can find it again. It's really cool. I've been enjoying it since I switched away from my Christmas themed wallpaper. So this is not a genuine smart battery case from Apple. It doesn't turn on and off automatically when the phone needs to be charged. It obviously doesn't have an Apple logo here, and like I said, if and when they release the official first-party case, it will probably have wireless charging. This one does not have wireless charging, so when I drop it down, it doesn't charge, which kind of sucks, seeing as I'm all for wireless, but that's really the only drawback of it. Now, as far as pricing goes, again, if and when Apple releases a smart battery case for these iPhones, I imagine the price will be rather competitive. It's $39.77 currently on Amazon when I'm recording this. It's Friday, December 28th, and it comes in a black, a blue, and a pink. I have the black here, and for the product you're getting, I feel like that's actually a fair price. It feels really nice in the hand. So far it's been pretty sturdy. Dropped my phone a couple times here and there, and there's no big scuffs and scratches other than these. It's another 4,000 milliamp hours on the back of your phone, so you should be able to survive a day with this no problem. The battery life is incredible, build quality is incredible, I've had no problems so far. I'll have the black, blue, and pink colors linked down below in the description for you guys to check out. Guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a comment telling me if you're looking forward to Apple's smart battery case for the iPhone 10 series. I know I am. If and when that's released, I will probably buy one and show it here on the channel. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.